Her name is Gombuki. In Lhasa on August 20th, while under police detention, she jumped from the second floor of her family's hotel. Now she lies in hospital with spinal and knee injuries. Why would anyone take such a risk? Because she's been fighting for her younger brother, Dojitashi. Once a wealthy businessman and philanthropist, Dojitashi's life changed after the 2008 Tibetan uprising. He was arrested, tortured, and in 2010 sentenced to life in prison after a closed-door trial that many believe was politically motivated. Since then, Gombuki has faced harassment, detention, and surveillance, all while demanding fair legal rights and family visits for her brother. The day she jumped, Chinese authorities quickly sealed off her guest house. Some reports say she was denied urgent medical care as Xi Jinping was in Lhasa for the 60th anniversary of the so-called Tibet Autonomous Region. Gombuki's story is not just about one family. It's about the price Tibetans continue to pay for speaking out, risking freedom, safety, and even their lives.